Lee, we've got a whole back and Welsh Lamb shoulder there, chilled overnight. Fancy a quick fix, leftovers, and a hit hard. Bit of tacos.
Beautiful, mate. I've never made tacos before, so I'm looking forward to learning from
God.
the master.
The master made tacos like 3 times.
Oh, well, there you go. Well, 3 more times than I've ever made them. I think if we're going to make tacos, we should definitely have tequila.
I think we should have one to start.
Yeah, just to get in the mood.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yachida.
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 Oh, yes. Wow. So, my tacos, I love a good salsa, so just love throwing everything in the embers.
Oh, nice.
Bury the onions in. Garlics, a little charcoal oven, char some peppers. You like a kick, yeah?
Love a kick.
Let's get some chilies on. Some
Tomatoes.
Some tomatoes.
Oh, nice. Looks like someone's dropped their shopping in a fire.
So these chilies will be quite quick.
Whilst you're doing that, shall I start?
Yeah, do you want to pick the
shredding
lamb?
Yeah, for sure. So what do you do if you just like shred it into like manageable chunks?
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have to have a smoked shoulder to do this. You could do it with a bit of braised shank or
any
any leftovers. That smells incredible, mate. I don't know about you, but I think that's enough meat.
Perfect.
Should we start making tacos? I'm really excited about this taco tutorial I'm going to get.
Let's do some tacos.
So talk me through it, bro.
So, 2 mugs. So this is masa harina, like Mexican cornmeal. We need 2 mugs of warm water with that.
Equal parts, yeah?
Just mix it in. And after a bit of mixing, it'll soon start to form a dough ball. Oh, salt! I forgot about the salt. A couple of pinches.
Oh, this would be a great thing to do with the kids.
Yeah, homemade tacos.
Get everyone involved.
Oh, hold me the dough ball up.
It's looking good.
We'll just get it into like a ball and let it chill for like 5–10 minutes.
Sweet as.
So yeah, I love this salsa and it goes with everything, but especially beef, lamb, I think it's really cool. I actually made this salsa when I was cooking a whole cow in Carnarvon like a year ago.
How did the whole cow turn out?
It was a 28-hour cook, yeah.
Wow. Did you stay for the whole time?
Yeah. So this is a gaucho salsa, salsa criolla, and I keep most of the charred skin on. I think it's cool flavour. Get a bit of coriander in there.
Beautiful. Such vibrant colours.
Get some extra virgin olive oil in here.
Do it before it goes in the bowl. Nice.
And some apple cider vinegar. I like quite a bit of salt in this.
That's great. Yeah. This looks amazing. Bruv, that's sick.
Yes.
That's delicious.
Next, Lee's making his first ever taco. He rolls the dough ball into a golf ball and uses the press to flatten it into the perfect taco. Nailed it. Then I fry off this beautiful smoked Welsh lamb on a scorching hot plancha before a good sprinkling of the back end spice mix, hitting that charred lamb with the flavours of cumin, caraway, star anise and lots of black axe love. Yeah! Oh wow, look at that. Lee, you've mastered the taco on your first go.
Smashed it. Now just whack a load of that lamb in there.
And there you go. The Black Axe Flamebaster back and shoulder leftover taco.
I can't wait to eat that.
Mate.
I can't wait to eat that.
It's beautiful scenery.
It's amazing.
All the lambs are looking at you.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. How romantic. That is a great plate of food. So where's Snowdonia? Over there?
This is Snowdonia.
Oh no, yeah.
But
So
Snowdonia is just like over there. Well, let's build the taco.
Yes, mate. Can I go first?
Yeah, go for it.
Here we go.
Mate, don't leave me out. Mate, and how is it?
That is naughty.
Is it naughty?
That is naughty.
How naughty?
Oh, mate, that sauce is amazing. And the lamb sort of kind of sticky, crunchy, chewy, soft, sweet, sour. Oh, mate.
Mate, I'm feeling amazing.
I think we should do a shot.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks for making me so
bro.
welcome up here, man.
Love it.
I was going to drive home, but I can't now.
You can't now, that's the plan.
I'm locked in for one more
night
night.
with Bam.